Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Pluto. Rules Scorpio. Exaltation not yet established. Detriment Taurus. Fall not yet established. GIF. One is derived from the letters PL for its discoverer, Percival Lowell, in 1930. The other represents the cross of matter topped by the crescent moon and above hovers circle of infinity. Represents destroying or reform urge, fusion. Anatomy. The eliminative and reproductive systems, pituitary gland, abnormal growths, warts, tumors, birthmarks, moles. Keyword. Transformation. General. Pluto traditionally rules the underworld and that which is hidden from view, including the unknown worlds within you, your submerged or subconscious self. Also represents all replication processes like conception and printing. Pluto governs the masses, waste, subversion, atomic power and crime. It rules phobias and obsessions, slow growth, group factors, transmutation, beginnings and endings, birth and death, isolation, coercion, disappearance, kidnapping, anonymity, bacteria and viruses. Represents generation, regeneration and degeneration. It exposes that which has been developed secretly or undercover. It governs vacancy, plumbing, dictatorships, unpopular causes and the exclusive. Pluto's action is slow, ponderous and inevitable. It is the last of the transcendental planets and is considered a higher octave of Mars. Where you find Pluto in the chart you will find complexity. It is where you'll have to solve problems alone and unaided. Fourth house, private. It shows your private life, home, endings, property, apparent, foundation, latter part of life. Natural sign is Cancer. Natural ruler is Moon. Keyword is security. Fourth house, the house of endings and water. Quality is angular house. General. The fourth house shows that your home and your parents, your family comes from, your roots, and the house you are going to establish. This includes your heritage, genetics and ancestors, psychological origins and your private life. This house shows properties, such as housing or real estate, and all that is secluded. It is the home of the end of life, the end of all problems, the reputation after death and the burial place. It shows that parents have a greater influence over you as a child, your subjective self and the foundation on which you build your personality. Pluto in the fourth house. The planet Pluto is in the fourth house of your birth horoscope, which suggests that your home environment may be a challenge. You may have been affected by early childhood trauma, whether it is one particularly disturbing event in your family life or a series of twists and turns. Maybe one of your parents was a stunning and powerful figure in your life. Maybe you're constantly changing homes or just trying to feel at ease in your home. You need to be careful not to repeat your childhood traumas in your home environment by living with someone who is offensive. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions please tell me. If you want free horoscopes please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.